good people of St. Mary's, and welcome to ENN, Eagles News Now. Today is June 11th, 2021, and I'm your co-president and anchor, Dante Duval. With me is your other co-president and co-anchor, Dylan Schnurr.
Thank you for the introduction, Dante. Good afternoon, staff and students of St. Mary's. We're broadcasting live here from St. Mary's High School in Kitchener, Ontario. In today's show, we're going to be recapping the school year that we've laughed, cried, and survived together.
That is correct, Dylan. And along with a recap, we also have the privilege of broadcasting a few fantastic videos made specifically for you today.
Well, let's not delay any further and cut to a club's recap from this year.
With provincials just around the corner, the exec would like to offer you all a few final words of encouragement before you go to compete here later this month.
This year you've had to work in conditions no one has before. Your determination has clearly paid off.
You now all can confidently say that nothing can stop you from reaching your goals. We hope you will apply what you've learned through DECA this year, throughout the rest of your DECA careers, and through your professional careers.
Hi there, this is the home stretch. Make sure you study and make sure you use all available resources.
From quizzes to practice tests, we've got you covered. And of course, if you guys have any extra questions or just need additional support, feel free to email one of us lovely exec members and we would be happy to help you out.
That's all for now from us. Once again, we're so grateful for all of you and we're sure that you're going to make us proud. Good luck at provincials, everyone, and make sure to stay safe. You've got this.
Pushing, pulling, and it's grabbing me. Feel it in my bones like oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Something big, I feel it happening. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Something big. Whoa, yeah, yeah. If we stomp our feet, the ground will shake. If we clap our hands, the walls will break. Yo, so loud, won't forget our names, 'cause something big is happening.
Sometimes things don't go, after all, from bad to worse. Some years muscular faces down force. Green thrives, the crops don't fail. Sometimes a man aims high and all goes well.
A people sometimes will step back for more. Elect an honest man, decide they care enough that they can't leave some stranger poor. Some men become what they were born for.
Sometimes our best efforts do not go amiss. Sometimes we do as we meant to. The sun will sometimes melt a field of sorrow that seemed hard frozen. May it happen for you.
Allow me, Chung Mi Kim. If I must worry about how I will live in my old age without wealth, I would be without health now. And how can I live to be old? If I must worry about how I will live in my old age without love, I would be without dreams now. And how can I go on living another day? Allow me to sit in the sun and listen to the sky. I will love you gently. Allow me to stay in my room and weave my rainbows. I will love you truly. Like a coat in the meadow with no boundary. Allow me to wander around till I hear the autumn stealthily strolling by my door. I will be waiting to be with you then.
It was great to see all the students get involved with a few clubs and initiatives this year. Let's check out our admin team to see what they got up to.
Hold up, hold up.
Hello everyone. It is an honor to be here to celebrate love and acceptance for the LGBTQ plus community today. I began my queer journey at this school, and it was a very daunting experience. Coming to terms with my sexuality as a gay man, accepting it, embracing it, and then finally showing the rest of the world. I found this community to be very accepting, and although there were moments that I feared coming out, in the end I received nothing but love. However, I know that some of my queer brothers and sisters have felt discrimination, they have felt homophobia and transphobia, and I think that's important to acknowledge. But it's also important to acknowledge that we have come a very long way, but our journey does not stop here. To me, this flag represents the strength of all queer people of the past, present, and future. It represents hope that one day every person under the rainbow umbrella can live free of discrimination. It represents acceptance from our community, an acceptance I have felt in this school, and an acceptance I know to be true to this place. And now we have this flag to show any outsiders that they are loved, they are appreciated, and they are welcome in the Waterloo Catholic District School Board. Thank you.
It's Gabby Mesa live on Eagle News. Today I'm here to give you a full scoop of what our CL and active students have been doing this year. So stay tuned as we go to the station to see pictures, videos, and more.
Quand on brasse pour qu'il est pays. valley, glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for cutting like knives in a fist fight. And I found you with a bottle of wine, your head in the curtains, and heart like the 4th of July. You swore and said we are not shining stars. This I know, I never said we are. Though I've never been through hell like that, I've closed enough windows to know you can never look back. If you're lost and alone, or you're sinking like a stone, carry on. May your past be the sound of your feet upon the ground. Carry on. Carry on, carry on. So I met up with some friends at the edge of the night, at a bar off 75. And we talked and talked about how our parents will die, all our neighbors and wives. But I'd like to think
Eagles, it's Selena reporting live from my house. Although we don't have any school sport highlights to show you guys this year, we do have some student athletes that have been keeping busy over the pandemic. and we wanted to recognize these two Eagles and give them a huge round of applause for continuing their athletic journeys outside of high school.
A big congrats goes out to one of the triplets, the one, the only amazing Katina Duccio, who has officially committed to going to St. Lawrence University to play D1 hockey as she earns her degree in health science. Go Katina, go Katina. And another huge congratulations goes out to our former Eagle, Kelvin Ziegler, who committed this year to play baseball at Auburn University. Make sure to keep a lookout on the big screens this summer as he's hoping to get drafted in July. Good luck, Kelvin.
So great to see fellow Eagles fulfilling their athletic dreams despite COVID preventing all school sports.
It's too bad I didn't get to play school sports again or represent St. Mary's at OFSA.
My grade 9s to 11s still get a chance to represent St. Mary's out on the court, field, rink, and more.
You can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile. You could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke. Yeah, do it for your people.
So great to see that our Eagles are still out there showing who's the best.
You said it. Now let's move over, Jake, to the field to see a familiar friend of ours.
Hey everybody, this is Jake McGough. We are here at St. Mary's High School. We're gonna interview Jerome today. He's been a bit lonely, so we wanted to stop by and say hi. Jerome, get on in here. So Jerome, how you been? Give me some. How you been, Jerome? How's life? Good, that's great. Great to hear. So what kind of things have you been up to? It must be really lonely. You miss the fullness. I miss it too. It sucks not seeing everyone here. But do you have any cool plans for the summer maybe? Something fun you're gonna do? Flying and diving. That sounds like a lot of fun. Man, I really wish I could fly. You must have so much fun way up there all by yourself. Do you have any friends that you get to go and fly around with? Seagulls, that must be crazy. I see them everywhere, so you must have lots and lots of friends. That's really great to hear. What else kind of stuff do you like to do? You like to learn? I love to learn. Learning is one of the best things that you could probably do ever. And this is the best place to do it. Absolutely. Right, Jerome? Well, you must be happy that people might be coming back soon, right? That's great to hear. It's good to see you again, Jerome. I'm so glad to see your face again. Give me some. Boom. Bang. Pa. This is Jake McGough with Jerome once again. Thanks for tuning in.
Now let's spice it up with a performance from the dance team.
Like I never left. Another sprint, another step, another day, another breath. Been chasing dreams, but I never slept. I got a new attitude and a lease on life is a peace of mind. Seeking to find I can sleep when I die. Want a piece of the pie, got the keys to the ride and no straight. I'm on my way, get up my way. I'm running late, what can I say? Legend is exodus, searching for euphoria. Stretching through the mud to find the present, no ignoring us. Got 20,000 deep up in the street like we some warriors. My mama told me never bow your head. I feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to stop you. I was all for this, all for this. So I am the hero. I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious. The crib looking victorious. You know that we've been doing it since we hopped out that DeLorean. Yeah, we went on guard. Things are just things, they don't make you who you are. Can't pack up a U-Haul and take it with you when you're gone. We posted on the porch, my family's glasses to the stars. My grandma smiling down on me like, whoop, that boy got bars. Okay, yes I do. I said amen and hallelujah, let me testify to another morning. I'm mourning, won't let self get in my way. I got my breath, I got my faith, and I remember why I came. I feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. So I am, how could I forget? I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious,
What a performance by those ladies. Talent just oozes in this school.
I agree, and I can't wait till we can see all that awesomeness live again.
Welcome back. We're now at the end of our show, and we hope you enjoyed today's episode of Eagles News Now.
Before we sign off, we have a bittersweet announcement.
Your amazing co-presidents and co-anchors are signing off and out.
We want to thank you all for your love and support throughout this school year. We know it was hard, and it was for us too. But knowing we had so many amazing friends and peers standing behind us really helped us make it through.
We were honored to be your 2020-2021 co-presidents, and we'll remember this year forever. It was truly a dream come true for the both of us. We're also so honored to announce that while we are signing off, we have 2 brand new co-presidents signing on.
We have a tradition to pass the torch on to the new co-presidents, so here you go, Nico and Ava.
Hello Eagles, I'm Ava Beziak,
And I'm Nicholas Maya.
and we're your 2021-2022 co-presidents. We are so excited to have this privilege.
And we can't wait until September.
We want to wish everyone good luck on their finals and exams.
And to have a safe and restful summer.
Thanks for tuning in to ENN. I'm Ava.
And I'm Nico. See you in September.